morning, good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the first chapter of our literature book. The chapter name is What's Your Dream? You can open page number 2 of your literature book. Here you can see a boy sitting on the branch of a tree. So we are starting reading the chapter. A young boy liked spending time sitting on a tree. He had a dream but didn't realize that until one day someone happened to ask him about it. Let us read the story to find out what his dream was. See here, a young boy is sitting on the tree. He likes to sit on the tree, but he don't know that one day a man will come and ask him about his dream. So an old man, a beggar bent double with a flowing white beard and piercing grey eyes, stopped on the road on the other side of the garden wall and looked up at me where I perched on the branch of a lychee tree. So the boy is saying, an old man came. He was having a sharp grey eyes, and he stopped on the road on the other side of the garden, and he was looking at the boy, and he find him sitting on the branch of a lychee tree. He asked, "What's your dream?" It was a startling question coming from that raggedy old man on the street, even more startling that it should have been made in English. English-speaking beggars were a rarity in those days. "What's your dream?" he repeated. So it was a startling question. Startling means we can say surprising. He was very surprised at his question because he was asking him that what's your dream, and he was asking in English. In those days, English speaking beggars were very rare. Means the people were very rare who speak in English. So he repeated his question. He said, "What's your dream?" "I do not remember," I said. The boy is saying that I said I do not remember. "I don't think I had a dream last night." The boy is saying that I do not remember that at the last night I had any dream. "That's not what I mean." The old beggar say, "I am not asking about that dream. You know it's not what I mean. I can see you are a dreamer. It's not the lychee season, but you are still in that tree, but you sit in that tree all afternoon dreaming." He was saying that it is not the lychee season, but still you are sitting in the tree and you whole afternoon always dream about the something. "I just like sitting here." The boy said, "I like to sit here." I said, "I refuse to admit that I was a dreamer." He said, "I refuse to admit." He did not admit that he is a dreamer, but other boys did not dream. They had catapults. Catapults is like a band which was used for shooting the stones. "A dream, my boy, is what you want most in life." The beggar said, "The dream is that which you want to get in your life. Isn't there anything that you want more than anything else?" He was saying that there is nothing that you want to get. "Yes," I said promptly, "a room of my own." The boy said, I want a room of my own." A room of your own, a tree of your own. It's the same thing." The beggar was saying, "A room of your own, a tree of your own is the same thing. Not many people can have their own rooms." He was saying that many people in this world do not have their own rooms, not in a land as crowded as ours. And he was saying that in a land as we are very much in number. So he was saying that in land we cannot have our own room. It's a big thing. Just a small room. And what kind of room do you live in at present? The beggar is asking to the boy that what kind of room is that in which you live in the present time. So students, I am giving you some hard words related to this chapter, and we will complete our chapter tomorrow. So I hope that you have understood the chapter whichever we have read. So please write that hard words in your fair notebook.